Accounting and Auditing Office from January to
everyone, no? Actually, upon hearing the introduction, it's kind of overwhelming. But thank you for that very impressive introduction. Anyway, good morning, everyone. To the faculties spearheaded by your school principal, Sir Julius C. Castañares, sir. To our school division superintendent, Melanie P. Estacio Seso 6, which is represented by Dr. Lailani T. Senieres, EPS. Ma'am, good morning. And to our barangay officials who are present here, distinguished guests, and of course to the proud parents, and most especially to our graduating class 2025. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.